हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम सीखेंगे इंग्लिश की रीडिंग करना, और जिन बच्चों को इंग्लिश की रीडिंग करना नहीं आती है वो इस वीडियो से सीख सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टोरी का नेम है अ गिफ्ट ऑफ चप्पल्स। फर्स्ट पार्ट। A smiling Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out and Ravi pulled Mirdu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mirdu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually, with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. The marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny. Mirdu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard behind a thick bitter berry bush. There, inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten, lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing, poor thing, said Meena. It's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Paddu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here," said Ravi. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her I am very hungry. I want to drink it. But the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell, and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendra. Mahendra, this little kitty's name is Mahendra. Mirdu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. Actually, his full name is Mahendra Verma Pallava Punai. MP Punai for short if you like. He's a fine breed of cat. Just look at this fur, like a lion's mane. And you know, the ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mirdu. Mirdu giggled. Think I am joking? Well, just wait. I'll show you sometime. It is clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mischievously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his Thatas, etc., etc. Fact is, Mahendra here is descended from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. The Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on, walking around the bitter berry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, and if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mirdu exchanged looks. What does that have to do with anything? Mirdu demanded. Ah, I am telling you, this cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god, no goddess. Bastet, yeah, that's it. So, well, one of the descendants of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. Those descendant is Ravi, flourished his twig, and Mahendra. MP Punai here, whoop, eek, he shrieked, very pleased with himself. Mahendra looked up alarmed. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. But worse than Ravi's awful whoop eek was a screech from the window. What a weird sound! If Mirdu was startled, MP Punai was frightened out of hair. Standing on end, he bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Mia, or he howled miserably. The screeching went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mirdu. That's Lalai learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. She'll never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train, whizzing on and on, while Lalai's all the time derailing, going completely off track. So guys, I hope आपको ये रीडिंग करना पसंद आया होगा. अगर आप ऐसे ही सीखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.